on the keyboard are used to enter data into your computer system. Let us take a look at the different keys on your QWERTY keyboard with reference to the Windows 10 operating system. The different keys on the keyboard are used to enter data into your computer system. Let us take a look at the different keys on your QWERTY keyboard with reference to the Windows 10 operating system. The key to the extreme left of the top row is the Escape key. This key has numerous uses, all of which relate to escaping from a program or situation. The use of the key depends on the program being used and varies in individual programs. On the top right-hand side of the keyboard are three keys marked Print Screen, Scroll Lock, and Pause Break that are rarely used by beginners. Some programs like Windows use the Alt plus Print Screen keys to obtain screen captures. In some operating systems, the Scroll Lock key is used to pause screen output. The Pause Break key is usually used to change the interaction with the computer, such as switching between multiple login sessions, terminating a program, or interrupting a modem connection. Along the top of the keyboard is a row of function keys. Like the Escape key, each of these keys have certain functions that vary with different programs. For example, in Microsoft Word, the F7 key opens up the spelling and grammar check option. In the same program, the F12 key saves an open document. It is almost universal in computer programs for the F1 key to be used to open a help menu. In addition to individual functions, the function keys are used frequently in conjunction with other keys. For example, the Shift key, the Control key, and the Alt key are frequently used in conjunction with the function keys or other lettered keys. In Microsoft Word, the F7 key is used for checking spelling and grammar. When the F7 key is used with the Shift key, it opens up the thesaurus function. The keys along the top of the main keyboard have two uses. For example, the key with number 4 on it also has a $sign on it. To type the $sign, you hold down the Shift key and hit the number 4 key. The Shift key is used to type all of the symbols on the upper part of each key. The Caps Lock key, when pressed down, makes every letter print as uppercase. Pressing down the Caps Lock a second time returns the key to its normal function. Such keys that alternate between two modes of operation are called as toggle keys. The space bar, the long key in the lower center of the keyboard, is used to put spaces between words and sentences. The Tab key is used to push the typing along the line in specified distances. For example, if you wish to indent the first line of every paragraph, then it is wise to use the Tab key. It is unwise to use the space bar for this purpose because you may miscount the spaces, and secondly, the space bar does not give an even or regular distance from the margin, thus making your document look untidy and uneven. The Enter key is one of the most important keys on the board. In a word processor, it makes another line when you hit it, but it has other functions. It has the function of executing or doing a command in the same way a mouse click does. Slightly to the right of the keyboard and below the print screen group is a cluster of 6 spatial keys. The Insert key in this group serves to insert keystrokes. The existing words are pushed along in front of the new text entered. Pressing the key once again results in the replace mode. Now, new letters are printed over the old letters. The Delete key located below the Insert key deletes any selected text, or if none is selected, the next letter to the right of the cursor. The Backspace key to the left of the insert key deletes characters to the left of the cursor. The home key takes you to the beginning of a line in a word processor, and when used with the control key, results in the cursor going to the beginning of a document. The end key, which is directly below the home key, sends the cursor to the end of a line, or if used with the control key, to the end of a document. The page up and page down keys move the screen up or down one screen page. The arrow keys just below the special keys move the cursor in the direction of the arrow. When used in conjunction with the control or shift key, they perform different functions again. For example, if you hold down the control key and press the arrow pointing to the right, then the cursor jumps one whole word. Without the control key, the cursor moves one character at a time. To the extreme right of the keyboard is a cluster of keys known as the numeric keypad. The keys are designed to function as a small calculator. The key on the top left hand, the num lock, when pressed, turns off the numeric keypad and allows it to perform the same way as the special keys. The small light that lights up just to the top of the numeric keypad indicates whether the keypad is on or off. On either side of the spacebar, outside the Alt key is a key with the Windows logo. Pressing this key displays the Start menu. Holding the Windows key down and pressing another key initiates other actions. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learnt the functions